This is what? Bloober, right? Look at my spaghetti.
Show me.
This is the camera person. Do something stupid.
That's the girl that ran through there.
Wait. I love spaghetti.
Bloober, right? Dang, we messy.
Yeah, you know, married.
That's Mary Kate. Not Ashley.
And I'm Mrs. Loose.
Yo.
I'm kind of scared in front of cameras.
I want to say something. I don't want to. You grow. Let me take the freaking camera. Okay, I'm Mary Kate. She played the role of Ashley.
I'm
She's the girl that came just running through.
I was the one.
That's our camera person right there.
That's the one.
And this is the actor show, right?
This is the person that I'm the person that.
Okay, she's the camera person.
This is like spaghetti, don't ya?
Stop it, you're weird. And this is Mrs.
Oh, but we're talking over there.
This is Mrs.
Check here.
Oh!